Today I'm going to show you how to download 4K videos from X, formerly Twitter, using a simple extraction method that helps you grab the highest quality version available. This is perfect if you want to save a video for offline viewing, research, editing, or archiving, and you want to avoid low-quality downloads that sometimes happen on mobile or in-browser previews. Before we begin, a quick reminder: only download videos you have permission to use, avoid suspicious websites with too many pop-ups, never share your X password with any downloader tool, and remember that downloaded videos may still be protected by copyright. If this tutorial helps, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more easy step-by-step guides. Alright, let's jump in. The first thing you need to do is find the X post that contains the video you want to save. Open the post so you can clearly see the video and the options underneath it. On X, the video may appear to be lower quality in the browser because the platform can dynamically scale playback based on your connection and device. That's why we're using a dedicated extraction site to look for the highest available source quality instead of relying on the preview player alone. Once you've found the right post, look directly underneath it for the share icon. This is the tray style icon with an upward arrow. Click that icon to open the sharing options. From the pop-up menu, choose copy link. This gives you the direct URL to the post, which is what the downloader site needs in order to find the video. Now open in a new browser tab and go to a free multi-resolution extraction site. You can use a site like SaveTWT or Twitter Video Downloader. These tools are designed to analyze the post link and reveal the available download qualities. When the page loads, you should see a central input box. Click inside that field and paste the link you copied from X. After pasting the link, click the download button. The site will begin analyzing the media attached to the post. Depending on the tool and the size of the video, this may take a few seconds. Be patient and let it finish processing. Once the analysis is complete, the site should show a list of available quality options. This is the most important part. Do not just click the first download option you see. Instead, scroll through the list and look for the highest resolution available. If the video has a 4K source, you may see an option like 2160p. In some cases, the highest available option might be 1080p if the original upload was not recorded in 4K. The key is to always choose the top quality listed so you get the best possible version. When you find the highest resolution option, click the download link next to it. That should open or save the raw MP4 file directly to your computer. If your browser asks where to save the file, choose a folder that's easy to find, such as Downloads or Desktop. Then wait for the file to finish downloading completely before opening it. After the download is done, go to the file and play it back to confirm that it's saved correctly. Check the resolution, check the audio if there is any, and make sure the video matches the post you wanted. If everything looks good, you're done. You've successfully downloaded the highest quality version available from X using a simple extraction workflow. One more tip before you go: if you run into a suspicious site with too many ads, fake buttons, or repeated pop-ups, close it and try a more trusted downloader instead. Keeping your device safe is just as important as getting the file. Also remember that some videos may be copyrighted or restricted, so always use downloaded content responsibly. If this video helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.